Yo, you looking for the best place to find blanks in 2026? Let's talk about it. What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today I'm gonna try to help you find the best blanks all under one roof. And that place is the Impressions Expo. Now, if you've never heard about the Impressions Expo, I'm here to tell you about it, hopefully shed a little bit of light on this thing, and help you understand why this trade show is important to you and your business. Now, I'll start this video off by saying I am not affiliated with the Impressions Expo. They don't pay me to make this video. They don't even know I exist. I attend the Impressions Expo just like you as a business owner. Now, what is the Impressions Expo? If you are in the garment decorating industry, whether you print for other people, whether you print transfers and sell them, whether you own a clothing brand, or you're thinking about starting a clothing brand, or you own a retail store, or you own a print shop, embroidery shop, signage shop, maybe you have an online store, whatever the case is, this trade show is for you. Every year, the Impressions Expo comes to Long Beach, California in January. I believe it's like the third weekend in January or something like that, but it comes to the Long Beach Convention Center every single year. Now, this isn't the only place that this trade show goes to. It goes all around the country. As far as I know Atlantic City gets it. I want to say maybe Florida, Texas, and there might be some other states sprinkled in between. So if you just Google searched Impressions Expo, I'll leave a link in the description box for you. You can find out when this trade show comes close to you around the country, and I highly recommend that you attend. But it's coming to Long Beach, California in a few weeks. And this is where you could find every single blank manufacturer that you could think of. They are all here under the Long Beach Convention Center. And when I say the convention center, I'm talking about like the big convention center. And then there's like this little hallway that they call the atrium that connects to the sports arena, like where they play ice hockey and all that and have concerts. So there's 3 huge rooms of just everything you could think of for your apparel business. Now, like I said, blank t-shirts, blank hoodies, blank jackets, blank jerseys, blank bags, blank hats, blank socks, blank underwear. If you could print on it, it's there. Now, on top of that, every print method that you could think of is also under this same roof. So there's transfer companies, screen printed plastisol transfers, DTF transfers, there's transfer printers. If you wanted to get into DTF printing, there's a ton of vendors there selling DTF printers. Big ones, small ones, desktop size, commercial size. Doesn't matter the size of your business and the size of your operation, there's something for everybody here. Same thing goes for embroidery and sublimation and vinyl and rhinestones and patches and sticker printers and banner printers. Everything you could think of is here. Now, what does it take to sign up? Go to the link in my description box, impressionsexpo.com, I think is the site. Just register. Simple information, your name, your address, email address, your business name, and what do you do for your business? Are you a clothing brand? Do you print for other people? Do you print for businesses? Are you a manufacturer yourself? Whatever it is, throw it on there and sign up. You could either register just to walk the expo floor, that's to see all the vendors and manufacturers and stuff like that, or you could register for like classes, learn how to screen print, learn how to dial in your graphic design. They have classes for all kind of stuff throughout that weekend. But what I do is I usually just cruise around the expo floor. Now, there's a ton of companies out there, transfer companies, blank t-shirt companies that have coupon codes so you could get in for free. The good people over at Supacolor have a promo code for you. It's EXH200. Enter that at checkout for free entry. I'll leave that information down below in the description box for you also. So if you haven't registered yet, I highly suggest registering right away using that promo code while it's still valid. Sign up for free and attend. Now, for myself, this is where I find all the manufacturers for everything that I do. Whether it's blank t-shirts, blank jackets, let's say I wanted to get into cut and sew and I'm looking for a manufacturer to make me some custom shorts or custom jerseys, custom jackets, you can find these people here also. This is where I found the people to do my mesh shorts, like the basketball short. This is where I found the people to do my Letterman style jackets. This is where I found patch makers. This is where I found to do custom jerseys. All of the people are here. You just have to talk to the people, find out what they do. You wear this little lanyard around your neck. They're gonna scan it. Now they have your information, you have their information. And after the show's done, you follow up with them. So then that way you could get things going. Same exact place you could get like catalogs and lookbooks and stuff like that. Majority of that stuff is online, but this is what I go there for. And this is what I highly recommend everybody else going there for. is to do the most research possible for your business. Let's say you were looking for tree camo, hats, shirts, hoodies, sweats. You know that's a popular thing. This is where you could find manufacturers that make tree camo everything. They have the garments hanging up right there. You could touch and feel, stretch. You could do whatever you want to see what they feel like. You could see what they actually look like. Take pictures of the stuff. Talk to the sales rep. Talk to the people that are in the booth working it. Ask every question you have under the sun. Because when you look at things online and you're just looking at, like, let's say you typed in a certain blank company and they have all of these different color options and you're like, I want to see what that really looks like. Now you can go to the trade show and actually see what these things look like, what they feel like, how heavy something is, how light something is, how soft something is. These are all things you can't really tell online, so you see it in person at the trade show. Now, you guys hear me talk about AS Color all the time. AS Color is there. They have a huge booth there. And you know they have a ton of different color options and they have a ton of different blank options. They bring everything there so you can see it, touch it, feel it. If you were ever like, what's the difference between bone and what's the difference between sand? You could get those two t-shirts and match them up live in person so you could get a better understanding on what colors you want to offer your customers. You could talk to the sales reps. You could tell them, hey, I want to start a brand and I'm looking for a blank that's kind of like this, and they'll be able to point you in the right direction. Now, let's say you're thinking like, man, I've been looking at a lot of people, they always talk about Bella Canvas. Bella Canvas has a huge booth there. With everything they offer is gonna be in that booth. So now you can touch and feel and be like, what's the difference between this shirt and this shirt? What's the difference between this hoodie and this one? Now you can compare the two live in person. And this is what I go there to do. I like seeing what's coming out. I like seeing what I wanna offer my customers that year. And I also like to look for new options and opportunities for my business. So I always go there with a little bit of a game plan in mind. This year, I want to go and find more blank hat manufacturers. You guys know in the past, I've been using Otto for a very long time, but due to recent price hikes, I want to see what other hat companies are out there that either have competitive pricing or cheaper pricing. And I also want to find manufacturers closer to me, whether they have a distribution warehouse closer to me, whether they have a third-party supplier close to me that offers their products. All of these things is what I'm going to be asking all of these different companies when I'm there. So I want to find new hats, standard 6-panel snapbacks, and also some of the new stuff that's out. A-frame hats, unstructured hats, corduroy hats. These are things that I'm going specifically to look for. So anytime I see a hat vendor, I'm going to walk into their booth and see what they have to offer. I'm also going to ask the people, where are you located? Do you have anything near Los Angeles? I've been using Otto for a very long time, and the recent price hikes is making me look for other options. Also, their distribution center is pretty far from me. It's still in California, but it's pretty far out in Ontario. I'm in Los Angeles. That's a drive for me. So if I could find something closer, like when I used to use Decky's right here in Compton off the 91. That was easy for me to go and pick up those hats. When they raised the prices, it was very hard for me to keep using them, so I had to find other options, and that's when I found Otto. So I'm going back to the drawing board and doing the same exact thing this year. So I'm gonna go find what hat companies are close to me, see what they have to offer, see what their pricing is like, see what their turnaround time is like, and these are all questions that I want to ask them. Now, outside of hats, I want to go look for a lot of different hoodies. Something that I'm interested in is finding hoodies that aren't fuzzy on the inside. That sounds really crazy, but nothing bugs me more than putting on a brand new hoodie on, like, let's say a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt, and when you take it off, you have a bunch of little fuzzy lint balls all over your t-shirt underneath. That bugs me, that bugs my customers, so I want to find some hoodies that don't have that fuzzy, linty stuff on the inside. I know it makes the hoodie soft, but at the same exact time, I hate taking off my hoodie and walking around with just a fur t-shirt on because all the fuzz and all the lint is stuck on my t-shirt. So I'm gonna see if any blank companies offer hoodies that don't have that. Sounds crazy, but this is where I'm gonna need to do it because I can't look at that kind of stuff online, so I need to see it in person. So that's why I'm going. Also, one thing that I always keep in the back of my head when I'm walking around that floor is I stop into every single transfer booth and see what they have to offer. I'll grab sample packs from them. This is the best place to test out every single transfer company there because you could take home the transfers and test it out with your t-shirts, with your heat press, within your environment, and see if that company is what you want to offer to your customers. So I cruise around, I see what's new, I see what people are offering, I'll watch the demos, I'll touch the shirts after, see if it's something I want to offer my customers, and if it is, I'll grab a sample pack. It's free, I could take it home, I could press the samples on my own, and maybe I might end up using them. But just because I use companies now, it doesn't mean I'm locked off to any other options out there. I like to see what's new and what's coming out also. And if it's something I want to offer my customers, then I know where I can go to get these types of transfers, whether it's a different feel, whether if it's a different ink formula, maybe gang sheet size, maybe turnaround time, or maybe that transfer company might be local to me and close to me where I could just pick the stuff up. But this is where I go to find all of that information, is to the Impressions Expo. I've been talking about this trade show since I got onto YouTube because I've been attending this trade show for years now, way before I even got onto YouTube, and nobody was talking about it. So I said, man, I need to put people on, because if I'm going here and doing all this research and finding out all this information, it should be available to everybody. So now that there's a ton of people that go to this thing, it only makes the trade show that much better, because now the information's getting out to more people. The vendors are putting more thought into their booths and making them more interactive and making the experience that much better for us, the attendees. So if you haven't been here yet, please register and go. If you don't live in California, or it's too short of a notice to make the arrangements to come to Long Beach, I highly suggest looking for this trade show coming to a place near you and attending. But from what I hear from everybody else that goes to every other trade show across the country, is Long Beach is one of the biggest ones, period. So if you can attend the Long Beach one, highly recommend it. Like I said, it's coming up in a few weeks, third weekend of January. I believe it starts on like Thursday and it goes to Saturday or something like that. You would have to check the information on their site to find out when it actually is. I'm not 100% sure on what days I'm gonna be attending, but I will be there because, like I said, I wanna do my own research also. And I want to meet the people. I love cruising around, talking to you guys, chopping it up, hearing your guys' stories. I'm interested in knowing what you guys are looking at and doing research on. And it's just all around good time, you know what I mean? So if you're there, when I'm there, say what's up. Now, if you have any questions about anything I talked about, please leave it in the comments for me. And if you wanted to, you can follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.